Are you taking a road trip this summer? Well, I'm Dr. Allie Crawford with Airrosti, and I'm going to show you some exercises to help you get to your destination pain-free. For this exercise, we're going to be doing scap retractions along with a chin tuck hold. This is going to help relieve a lot of tension in our shoulders and our neck from driving for long periods. But make sure before you do these stretches, you're in a stationary car and you're not moving. To begin this, you're going to want to roll your shoulders back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Imagine a pencil going down the length of your spine and you're trying to keep that pencil from falling. So you should feel some tension in the upper part of your mid-back. Along with that, we're going to bring our chin in towards our spine, making sure that our ears are over our shoulders. You should feel a tension right here in the front of your neck. If you feel it in the back, that means that you're tucking your chin a little too far. So for this, you're going to want to hold for 5 seconds and repeat it 10 times. For this exercise, we're going to be doing a seated figure 4 stretch. This is a really good stretch to relieve the tension we get in our hips from driving. To start this, we're going to take one leg and place it over the other and apply a light pressure to the top of our knee with our hand. So you should feel a light stretch right here in your glutes and the outer part of your hip. If you're doing this and you start feeling more pressure here in the front of the hip, either lessen the pressure of your hand or just adjust yourself so that you do feel it here on the outside part. You're going to hold this for about 1 to 2 minutes and repeat on both sides. For this next exercise, we're going to be doing an anterior pathway stretch combined with a hip flexor stretch. These stretches are great because it's going to relieve a lot of tension in the upper part of our arm and the front part of our hip. This is also a great stretch to do on the side of your car when you're stopped and pumping gas. So how we begin the stretch is we're going to place our hand on the car here, take one step back, and do what we call a pelvic tilt. So how you do that is you squeeze this side of the glute, which should make a nice light stretch in the front of the hip here. Now that you're feeling the stretch here, we can add in that anterior stretch. You're just going to place your hand right behind you on the car, which then you should feel a light stretch here on this part of your chest and all the way down into your hand. Hold this for about 1 to 2 minutes and repeat on both sides. For more tips like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you next time!